So John, how does this work?
So welcome, yeah, this is the cross keys at Corsley's teaming up with the Tidderington milk station, with our milk station. I'm going to show you how to use the machine. It's a simple system to use. There's 5 instructions on the front and it's a fairly easy machine to use. So here's our bottles that cost £2. You can get them from the Honesty Pot or inside the pub when we're open, or in the pop-up shop. So we're going to open the machine, take the lid off and pop our bottle inside. It's a contactless payment only, so you do need a contactless card to pay. When you come up to the machine, you need to press this button first and then select your litre or half litre options, and then it will ask you to present your card. So hold your card flat against the system until the lights go out and then remove your card. And then the machine just takes a moment. We're sat in a bit of a signal dead spot, so it just takes a little delay just to connect, and then you should see the magic happen with the milk. So bear with me a second. There we are, and then you'll see it dings and the milk is dispensed. That's great, so that's our litre. So take it out, lid on, and some fantastic whole fresh milk.